Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from Let's Practice English. On this course we're going to learn some new vocabulary and phrases, some things that you can use in order to communicate with each other. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I think that. I think that. I think that. I hope that. I hope that. I hope that. I'm afraid that. I'm afraid that. I'm afraid that. In my opinion. In my opinion. In my opinion. I agree. I agree. I agree. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. I don't agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I think so. I think so. I think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope not. I hope not. I hope not. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. That depends. That depends. That depends. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Help. 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 Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Look out. Look out. Look out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. Please hurry. Please hurry. Please hurry. I've cut myself. I've cut myself. I've cut myself. I've burnt myself. I've burnt myself. I've burnt myself. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Stop thief. Stop thief. Stop thief. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. My wallet's been stolen. My wallet's been stolen. My wallet's been stolen. My purse has been stolen. My purse has been stolen. My purse has been stolen. My phone's been stolen. My phone's been stolen. My phone's been stolen. I'd like to report a theft. I'd like to report a theft. I'd like to report a theft. I've been mugged. I've been mugged. I've been mugged. I've been attacked. I've been attacked. I've been attacked. Fire. 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 Call the fire brigade. Call the fire brigade. Call the fire brigade. Can you smell burning? Can you smell burning? Can you smell burning? There's a fire. There's a fire. There's a fire. The building's on fire. The building's on fire. The building's on fire. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. We're lost. We're lost. We're lost. I can't find my. I can't find my. I can't find my. I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. I can't find my passport. I can't find my passport. I can't find my passport. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Go away. Go away. Go away.